Are you interested in highest paying job or 300% hike on your present CTC? Do you want to know how? Welcome, future data analysts and data scientists. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of data?
Do you dream of crunching numbers, uncovering insights, and data-driven decisions that shape the future? Well, look no further, because today we have a roadmap that will guide you step by step towards becoming a successful data analyst or data scientist.
I am your host, Priyanka, and I am thrilled to take you through this systematic roadmap crafted by Brainalyst. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into this adventure together. Our journey begins with step 1, Advanced Excel for Data Analytics, Excel in Foundation of Data Analysis, and mastering its advanced feature will equip you with the skill to organize, clean, and manipulate data efficiency. These steps lays the groundwork for your future data exploration. Don't worry, if you're new to Excel, you can find helpful study material and guidance at Brainalyst's page.
Step 2. Take us into the world of databases with SQL for data analytics. Understanding SQL allows you to extract valuable information from the databases and perform data queries effectively. It's a critical skill in Data Professionals Toolkit. Brainalyst page will provide you with the resources you need to master SQL and take your data analysis to the next level.
In step 3, we dive deeper into Excel and learn VBA for macros. Automating repetitive tasks through VBA helps streamline data processing and saves your time, making more efficient in work analysis. Brainalyst's page has got you covered with valuable study material to become a VBA wizard.
Now it's time to unleash your creativity in step 4 and step 5. You will master data visualization and analytics with Tableau and Power BI. These powerful tools enables you to create stunning visualization that convey complex insights effectively. Data analysts and data scientists must have a strong foundation in statistics and mathematics. Step 6 will take you through concepts like probability, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis, giving you the analytical edge to interpret data accurately. Brainalyst page has the right resources to help you conquer these essential topics.
In step 7 and 8, we explore the fascinating world of programming with data analytics and data science using R and Python. These versatile languages empower you to analyze vast data sets, build machine learning models, and derive powerful insights. Don't worry, if you are new to programming, Brainalyst page will support you throughout your coding journey.
The best way to hone your skill is through hand-on experience. Step 9 encourages you to work industrial relevant projects. The projects will challenge you, help you apply what you have learned, build a stellar portfolio to showcase your talent. And guess what? Brainalyst page will connect you with exciting project ideas and resources to make your portfolio stand out.
Congratulations! You have come a long way, and now it's time to prepare for the big leap into professional world. Step 10 is all about job interview preparation. You'll fine-tune your resume, practice mock interviews, and sharpen your communication skills to ace any data-related interview. Brainalyst's page is your go-to destination for interview tips, resume templates, and expert advice. So there you have it, the ultimate roadmap to becoming a successful data analyst or data scientist. The journey will challenge you, inspire you, and open doors to endless opportunities in data-driven universe. Remember, you're not alone in this quest. Head over to Brainalyst's page. Are you ready to make your mark in the world of data? Let's begin this thrilling adventure together, and I'll see you on the other side of data-driven excellence.